Good morning, class 3rd, chapter number 3, Eating Habits of Animals. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture what animals eat, and we have discussed also herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and decomposers. Student, we have discussed also this exercise is on page number 39 and you have understand. So which of the following animals is a scavengers? Yes student, vulture. Are animals that eat only plants? Yes student, herbivores. And human beings are herbivores, omnivores or carnivores? Yes student, omnivores. So student, in this lecture we will discuss how animals eat. Okay students, how animals eat? So you know student, there are the different types of the animals on the earth, and so they have the different mouth part also, and they have the different teeth also. So first of all we will discuss animals with chewing teeth. So for example, you can take example herbivores, carnivores. So first we will discuss student herbivores. What type of the teeth they have? If we talk about herbivores, cows, horses, goats. Student, they have the sharp front teeth. They have the sharp front teeth. You can say that incisors. They are the four types of the teeth: incisor, canines, premolar and molar. So if we talk about, they have the sharp front teeth. Sharp front teeth means they have the incisor teeth to bite grass and leaves. And they have also strong, broad and flat teeth at the back to the chew food. You can say that they are the two types of the teeth. They have also sharp front teeth. So first of all, what is the function of this sharp front teeth in herbivores? In sharp teeth, you can see this sharp teeth, sharp front teeth. What is the function of this teeth, sharp front teeth? Yes student, to bite grass and leaves. And they have also strong, broad and flat teeth at the back. The front teeth, sharp front teeth, and they also the strong, broad, flat teeth at the back. And what is the function of this teeth? Yes student, to chew the food. So herbivores such as cows, horses and goats have sharp front teeth to bite grass and leaves, and they have also strong, broad and flat teeth at the back to the chew food. Now student, we will discuss carnivore. You can see the teeth of a carnivore. You can see the teeth. Here is a visible, you can see. And so if we talk about, you know student, this is a teeth of a carnivore. This is a teeth of the carnivore. So if we talk about carnivores like tiger, crocodiles, lions, have the sharp pointed teeth. They help them to tear flesh. You can see student, they have the sharp pointed teeth. You can see they have the pointed, sharp. And what is the function of this teeth? To help them to tear the flesh. And they have also broad, flat teeth at the back that helps them to chew the food. And you know, they also have the strong jaw. Understand what I am saying? So if we talk about carnivores such as tiger, lion, crocodiles, so they have the sharp pointed front teeth and they help them to tear the flesh, and they have also broad, flat teeth at the back that help them to chew the food, and they also have strong jaw. Okay students, now student, if we talk about, you can see this diagram also, there is a squirrel also, rat also student. So you can see this is square and this is the rat. So now listen carefully. Animals like squirrel, rats and rabbits have sharp front teeth to open the nut and seeds and fruits also. And these animals gnaw their food also. It means gnaw means to keep biting something or to chew it hard. Gnaw means to keep biting something or to chew it hard. They eat the nuts also. Square, what is the food of the square? Nut. So they have the biting teeth and to chew it hard. They have the front sharp teeth to open the nuts, seeds also, fruit also. And this type of the teeth in squirrels, rats also and rabbits also. Okay. Now student, if we talk about cows, buffaloes. Student, in cows and buffaloes chew their food and swallow it to fill up the stomach. First of all, what the animal do? First of all, cow and buffalo chew their food, listen carefully, and swallow it, hold the food to fill up the stomach, and later they bring it back to their stomach also. They bring it back from the stomach into their mouth and chew it well. First of all, what they do? First, they do, student, chew their food and swallow it to fill up the stomach. First they fill up the stomach, they chew their food. You can see these animals, they chew the food all the day. Why? Because they chew their food and swallow it to fill up the stomach. First they fill the stomach from food and later they bring it back from the stomach into their mouth and chew it well. And you know, this is called chewing the cud. This is called chewing the cud. And you know, student, there is a cow also, and student, cows do not have the front cutting teeth in the upper jaw, and instead of this they have a thick hard skin. This is called dental pad. Listen carefully. Cows do not have the front cutting teeth in the upper jaw. Instead of this they have the thicker hard skin, and this is called dental pad. Okay students, so I hope you understand. We have discussed the how animals eat, and we have discussed the teeth of the different animals, herbivores, carnivores, and we have discussed the cows, buffaloes, what type of they eat help. And student, in next lecture we will discuss about the giraffe and other animals like cats and dogs. So I hope you understand, and you can find out the extra question answer, what type of the teeth they have, cows, buffaloes. Okay, so okay students, take care, bye.